great job as the undercover witness. This is a good time. Check your makeup, check your wardrobe. Just finishing up pre-production on set. Scene number. Oh my God! Wait.
This is what we doing. This is the race day after party. And where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got you. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
Shit, I'm talking about.
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Sean Trace does. Ops can't hold him forever. Buddy, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
Okay, we're gonna move.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
And cut. Now, please put on your protective glasses. Please put on your protective glasses. Cue the background. Venom, action.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Cars, coming in up. This thing ain't moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
You can be the witness to us or call it a day! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the cars!
Way to go, Letty. Don't climb another missile shot. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Roman, don't shoot. Head from the bridge. Under construction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous.
Cut and print. Was that Fast and Furious? Give it up for Supercharged.
That was crazy. You guys tried hard. Respect.
Mona Lisa got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got it over. I know this dash for shit.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. Good health. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
Thank you, Dominic. And as we wait for the open